Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Snapchat and you're not sure how, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps for blocking someone on Snapchat in 2024. Whether you're dealing with unwanted messages or simply want some privacy, blocking is a quick and easy solution. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Once you're in the app, swipe right to go to the chat screen. This will show you all of your recent conversations and friends. Next, find the friend you want to block. Once you've located their name, tap and hold on their profile. This will bring up a menu with several options related to that person. Now, in the menu, tap on Manage Friendship. This is where you can manage all your settings for that specific contact. From the options that appear, tap Block. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to block them. Tap Block again to confirm. And just like that, they are blocked. Once you block someone on Snapchat, they won't be able to send you snaps, messages, or see your story. You also won't be able to see their activity on the app. If you ever decide to unblock them later, you can easily do that by following the same steps. Instead of tapping Block, you'll see an option to unblock. Blocking someone on Snapchat is a simple way to keep your experience private and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.